Welcome to the online lecture series on 8051 microcontroller. In this tutorial, we shall see how to write a C program, and for that we will take interfacing with LED as an example. In the last video tutorial, we wrote the program in assembly. The same program, we will write it in C language. Okay. For that, first of all, I have to create a C file. Okay, so I will close this ASM file and I will also remove this ASM file, and I have to create a new .c file now. Okay, for that I will go to file and click on new. Then I will save this. Okay, and I will give some name, say led.c. Okay, the important thing is the extension should be .c because I am writing a C program, and I will save this. The next step is to add it. So I will go to add files. I can see the C file is visible. If not, you can drop down and select C source file here. Okay. So I will select LED and I will say add and close. So I have created a .c file. Okay. Now, first and foremost thing is C language is case sensitive. Okay, so you should be very careful here. It's not like assembly program wherein whether you write in uppercase or lowercase, it doesn't matter in assembly language program. But in C language, the case, the language is case sensitive and you have to be very careful. Okay. Now, the first thing what we will do in C language is to include the header file for your controller. Now, what is this header file is? Now, when you go to the lab, okay, there are various variants of 8051 microcontroller. Okay, and when you write a program, every microcontroller comes with a supporting header file. That header file contains all the definitions of your ports and special registers and everything. Okay, so in this, that header file is register, so hash include reg52.h. So this is that file. What does this file contain? This file contains all the definitions of the ports and the special registers. So this is the first thing in your C program for this lab. Okay. Second, okay. Now, how to declare, how to access a bit of a port? For that, you have a keyword called sbit. Sbit is a keyword to define a port pin. Okay, so the syntax is the keyword is sbit, then you should give the name. You can give any name, but since I am connecting an LED, I will give the name LED equal to. So to which port pin I am connecting? If you see, I am connecting to P0.1. Okay, so that is P0. You cannot write 0.1 like this. Rather, you should use P01. Okay, so this is the way that we can access a port pin in C language. The keyword is sbit. Okay, afterwards I will write the C program void main. Okay, remember, whenever you open the brace, always try to close the brace, then you write the program. Here also, see, open the brace and close the brace. Okay, so that you won't do any mistakes. Now, what is the first thing in the program? Since LED is an output device, I should make this as output port. So how will I make? So port 0 is equal to 0 into 0 0. Okay. Okay. And how will I comment here? Commenting is done using two forward slash lines. Okay. Port 0 as output port. So then, so since this has been made as output port, now what should you do? You should switch on the LED. LED is connected to P0.1 and I have given the name as LED. So I will say LED equal to 1. So switch on LED. Then I should write a infinite loop as I used to write in assembly program, like here I used to write sjump here. So the infinite loop here will be while 1. Okay, so this is my infinite loop. Okay, now there are many things here. I will explain one by one. Okay, now first of all, when you want to write a hex number, it should be always into 0 into 0 0. You cannot write 0 0 h. If you write 0 0 h, it will give error. Okay, this is the first thing. So it is 0 into 0 0. First thing is this. Now, secondly, see, C language is a standard language, but how is that? I have not initialized P0 anywhere here in the program as you see, but it is not showing any error. So where is this port 0 defined? This port 0, okay, is defined in register 52.h. Okay, so I will show you this file. If you open this, so this is your register 52.h file. Can you see here? See, port 0 is defined here. How is it defined? And the most important thing is you should not modify this file. I'm only showing you for the information's sake. If you modify this file, then you may end up with errors. Okay, you can see port 0 is defined here and the address of that port is 0 into 80. Similarly, all the four ports are defined. Okay, and you should use the same names. That's why I have used as P0 here. If I use a small letter P here, see what happens now? It is undefined. Why? Because in register 52.h in the header file, supporting header file, P it is in caps. That's why this also would be in caps. Only then it will be identified. Suppose if I make it smaller here, okay, I'm showing only, you should not modify, I'm only showing for the sake of you. Now if I compile, again it will show error because now I have made it as lowercase. So now it should be of lowercase, meaning, and this also as lowercase. Now see, that's why whatever is defined here, you should not modify. Okay, so that's why this is very much case sensitive. So whenever you use any port name or any special register name, everything should be in capital. Okay, suppose if you are using PSW, it should be in capital. Accumulator is defined as ACC, then stack pointer. So all these registers should be in capital. Okay, this is the second thing. Okay, and how do you define a bit? It is S bit space, give the name, a proper name, LED, and which port it is connected. So P0, remember it is not dot, but it is this symbol. Okay, then that port pin. Okay, so with this the LED will be on. So this is the first C program. So from now onwards, you should be also able to write the program both in assembly as well as C. Okay, thank you.